Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And I like to always get to a request that I've had from one of my viewers or subscribers first. I like to move it up in my list of shows I'm going to do. So I got a request a couple of days ago to basically finish the review of this radio. This is the TIVDIO HR-11S medium wave, FM, and shortwave. And I did a review of it and went over everything except the reception report. I did a reception report video with some of the other TIVDIO radios, but I didn't do an in-depth reception report of this HR-11S. So I'm going to try to do that this morning. I'm outside in my front yard, away from the electronics. And it's about, let's see, what time is it now? It's about 9 o'clock, a little late, but not too bad. I had done some videos earlier this morning, and shortwave reception at that time was really good. So we're going to try that right now. We're going to turn this radio on. We're going to try medium wave, FM, and shortwave. Okay, I'm on medium wave right now, and I'll turn the volume up.
Factor.com. Read all the testimonials, find out about it for yourself,
loud and clear,
and order that quick start. Just $19.95 or 95 cents a day for 3 weeks. Or you can call them. It's toll free. They can answer all your questions. 1-800.
Try another frequency.
8384. That's toll free. 1-800.
It's another strong station.
Hi, Jamie. She was the life of the party. She was the energy in the room.
Also honored today, Scott Beagle, a 35-year-old geography teacher and
volume down.
coach, shot dead as he tried to lock the killer out of his house.
That is a real strong medium wave station near me. I'm getting a background tone on that station. It's at 970 kilohertz. I didn't get it on the other station. Let's tune up the band a little more. Turn the volume back up.
The latest mass shooting in the state, for which 19-year-old Nicholas Cruz faces 17 murder charges. In Jackson, Mississippi, the highest concentration of blacks at just over 80.8%.
That's a weaker station, further away.
Biden reported to be at least considering another run for the White House.
No tone.
He recently met with some of his foreign policy aides. More to the team.
Another one.
The players seem to
no tone.
The team more than the
I'm not getting that background tone that I got on 970.
Kind of a shock to.
Okay, now I'm letting the radio. Let the radio auto tune, and it found the next strong station. Sounds like a, whoops, get away from music. Sound like there was a little kind of a squeak or something in the background. I'm not sure. Let's go to the next one.
In southern Mexico, a
Clear as
military
a bell.
helicopter carrying officials assessing the damage from the Friday earthquake has crashed, killing 13 people, injuring 15 others.
Now, where I live in the Tampa Bay area, there are mosquitoes. There are a lot of medium wave stations, and there's mosquitoes. It is finally warmed up, and mosquitoes have come out since it warmed up. So that's medium wave. Did a pretty good job. I don't understand why I was getting that background tone on that one frequency. Not sure what that's about. That was the only frequency I got it on. Okay, let's go to FM. We got to be a little careful what we listen to here. Boy, mosquitoes have found me. Okay, why can't I select FM band? Oh, I did. Okay, I was so busy fighting the mosquitoes I didn't notice it. Okay, let's tune down to one that has mostly talk. Get away from the music. Let me turn the volume up a little bit and see what this is. Okay, let's talk.
children of Israel out of Egypt. But Moses said to God, who am I that I should go to Pharaoh?
Let's turn down a little bit. Loud and clear. This is FM station, mostly talk. And I don't know if you noticed, but I got plenty of volume, loads of volume. I only got it up to about half volume, and it was too loud, so I turned it down. Let me turn the volume way down, and I'll let it tune up automatically by pushing and holding. And there's another station it found. Let's see if I can find the next one. There's 92.5. That is a very popular and close by station on FM. Whoops, I hit volume. Let me see if that's... Nope, they're playing music. I don't want to play that. Okay, let's go up again. 93.3, another FM station. 94.1. I don't know, with the lighting, it's kind of overcast, and there's a glare on the screen. You probably can't see the screen too well, but this is picking up a lot of FM stations. Like I said, in Tampa Bay area, we have a lot of medium wave and FM stations. Let's go to shortwave. Again, it's 9:07, a little late in the morning to be receiving shortwave, but we'll give it a try. So we'll extend the, oh, I was getting those FM stations loud and clear with the antenna down. Oh, okay, we're going to extend this little antenna, and we're going to go to shortwave. That was a mistake I made before. You have to give it about a half a second or a second to respond to your key press. Okay, so it's on shortwave. It happens to be at 3.725, probably nothing there. Let's turn the volume up. Some noise, that's all. Let's hit the tune, push and hold, and see what it finds. Again, it's a little late in the morning for shortwave. The band conditions for shortwave have been a little better this week. I didn't find anything on that band. Let's go to the next band. And let me hold it up away from my leg and do tune again. We're at 5.25. Now this radio does not tune the entire shortwave band. It tunes the international broadcast bands, the meter bands. I wish the display would show up better. It has to have a nice display. Okay, it's not finding anything. Not surprising. Okay, it's not finding anything on that band either. Noise. Let's go another one. Okay, we're on band 4. And we'll do auto search. It does not have single sideband, so I can't listen to the amateur operators. There we go. Turn it down. That is, go back, show me the frequency, 5.970. I think that's a local Spanish station. Now when I say local, could be in Florida, could be in Mexico, could be in Cuba, but usually in that area of 5 megahertz to 7 megahertz, I get some strong shortwave stations that are in Spanish. Like, you look it up on the databases, they don't appear. So that's what that is. Let's go up a little higher. Let's go to band 5, which is up around 7 megahertz and higher. We'll turn the volume back up. And then we'll do the auto tune. Might be able to get the Preacher Man in this band. I don't know. I'm trying to keep the radio away from my leg. But in the viewfinder, not finding anything, but that's understandable. It's, like I say, after 9 o'clock. Shortwave bands have not been that great. And this antenna is really short. It's probably less than 2 feet. Way too short for a shortwave. If you clip on an external antenna, that would help. All right, we're going to go up one more band. Go up to 7 or 6, which is 10 megahertz. And I don't know. Let me tune manually and see if it'll go down to exactly 10 megahertz. Yeah, there's 10 megahertz. And I'm getting noise. All I'm getting. Ooh, there it is. I can hear it as the truck goes by. Yes, I can hear WWV on 10 megahertz. Yeah, it's there. I'm getting this other kind of noise. I'm not sure where that's coming from. Could be power lines. I'm not sure. Let's try going back to the lower band and see if I can tune this radio to 5 megahertz. Okay, we're on band 11, 12. So it's got 12 bands. And let me see if I can go up from here. If I get up to 5 megahertz, which is typically a little better early in the morning. No, it doesn't go. I tried next band. .8. I hope this the radio is in the viewfinder. 4.0. I don't know whether it's going to make it to 5 megahertz or not. Again, that's not 5 megahertz is not in the international broadcast bands. Nope. Try one more. Go to 3. Oh, we're at 5 megahertz. Let's go down. Yeah, we can get there. Whoops, went too far. 5 megahertz. Nope. Nothing but a lot of noise. Nope, not doing any good. So what I could say about the shortwave reception is it's kind of iffy right now, just normally. And shortwave now for the past 8 months and probably going to last another year maybe is in, well, I don't want to say that, but it's not very good. So any radio you use, it's not going to be very good, and you need to pick up stations like I was doing in my previous videos this morning. You need an outside external antenna. This little short antenna for shortwave is just not going to hack it. So until band conditions improve, you're not going to get much on these small radios with these small antennas. Like I say, you can improve it by getting a long wire antenna and clipping it onto this. That'll improve things. So hopefully I've answered the gentleman's questions about reception. going back to what I scored this radio. Now, when I do a scorecard, I take into mind what I call a class of the radio, which is based on the price. And this radio, I believe, is $40 or $50. This is, again, the TIVDIO HR-11S. And so I was adjusting the scores based on that price. In other words, I wasn't trying to compare it to a $300 Grundig radio. So with that in mind, the scores as far as power options, special features, because this has got a bunch of special features. It's got solar charging. You can play play audio files off a USB stick, and it's got a light, several things. Audio is very good. And so the overall score with those attributes was about a good B. The reception, I'm going to give it a, well, this is difficult because AM and FM, it's good. AM had that one tone on that one frequency. Shortwave with this built-in antenna is just not going to hack it. I'm going to give it a C. So overall, I think I'm going to give this radio a B minus. It had a strong B on all the other attributes, the C on reception because of the shortwave reception wasn't that good. Yeah, I'm going to give it a B minus. So overall, this is a B minus. With the exception of shortwave, it's an awesome little radio, lots of features. That's it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.